Welcome. Today I'll teach you basics of Code of Civil Procedure, legal terms and vocabulary. Let's start. Alphabet A. A, application. Application means anything, any application you file in the court is called application. Okay. In civil proceeding, every proceeding starts with plaint. But if you need something or something in plaint and which becomes suit, of course. So if you are in middle, you are going to ask some remedy, you will file application because plaint has already filed, it becomes suit. Now in middle or in before completing, you will apply or file application. Application is mostly in orders and anything but in orders. Okay. And attorney, second alphabetical word is attorney. Attorney means advocate, but advocate is simple every person who is certified or who completed his education and give exam and receive certificate or cards become advocate. And an advocate who has a job in court is called attorney. Agreement. Agreement means two people agree on something is called agreement, or two parties agree on something is called agreement. Benami. Benami is the B alphabet, and Benami means without name. This is actually Urdu kind of word. It is you can understand from the Nami, name, and Be means without name. These are the Benami uh, property transaction kind of. Okay. Breach means when agreement or contract is not completing or continuing is called breach of contract or breach of agreement. Okay. Let's move to the alphabet C. C, court. Court, civil court. And C for code. Code means the rules, statutes like this is called code. Contract. Contract, when agreement and contract are same, but what is the difference? Contract, when agreement filed in court and with, of course, documents and requirements, then they issue a number is called contract. When agreement go in law court or submit in court, it becomes contract, but because agreement become lawful. Okay, so it's called contract according to the law. Of course, the agreement is also lawful, but contract means agreement, same agreement, but submitted or filed in court is called contract. Contempt of court means lack of respect of court. Contempt means lack of respect and court means court. D, defendant. Defendant means when you file a plaint, it becomes suit. So there are two parties. One is plaintiff because he filed plaint, and another is defendant. Person who replies is called defendant. Court replies, of course. Dismiss. Dismiss means this matter is dismissed. Means now this is stopped. Okay, dismiss means you can say stopped or not continuing, or this is actually regular meaning, same in English, so you know dismiss. They are not, um, you know, um, working on it, so it is dismiss. Dismiss because of something, of course there is default, so it become dismiss, otherwise not. Evident. Evident means clear. Same evidence meaning is clear. Okay. Now exempted. Exempted means uh, like uh, women are exempted from the court, because ladies are exempted from parda nashin ladies who covered, or who uh, those ladies who are not coming into court because of hijab, parda, any Muslim, Hindu, anybody, okay, is called exempted from the, ladies are exempted. Okay. Fabrication means falsely, not really. Okay. Government means Pakistani government. If I'm of course talking about my country, so government of Pakistan, you can write your government. High court. High court means highest court after district court, or superior to district court is high court. Okay. Illegal, which is not legal, is called illegal. Immovable, which is not movable, is called immovable. Immovable is mostly used in property, immovable property. Okay. Jurisdiction means the, you can say, uh, authority. Okay. Or power of the court. Jurisdiction, there are many kind of jurisdiction: territorial, pecuniary, subject matter in civil, in code of civil procedure. Limitation, L K, actually I don't have K alphabet. Limitation actually means limits, but which limits? Time limits. In civil matters, time limits, even in criminal matters, but here we are discussing civil, and mostly limitation is about the civil. Movable means which can move. Car is also a movable property. Okay. Nuisance means any disturbance, or anything which is containing, disturbing, or public or private, anybody. Okay. Order means order. It can be single order, it can be any order of judge, any is called order. Oath, taking oath, giving oath. Plant, P, let's continue. P for plant, pleading and pleader. Actually, pleading means, we'll start from, 1 minute. Yes, we will start from pleading. Pleading means plant and written statement. What is plant? Plant means anything which is in writing form, matter of issue, and write it in writing form. What is the, or you can say case, in simple language case, but in legal language plant. Okay, suit or plant. And when plant is going into the court, it becomes suit. Plant is suit, and suit are same. Plant and suit both are same, but What is the difference? When plant completed in, of course, writing form and submitted in court, is it automatically become suit. Pleader. Pleader means a person who pleads. Okay. Quantum. Quantum is actually a law of evidence and Kanun Shahadat. Quantum means quantity. Okay. Quasi judicial means not fully judicial but half judicial, you can say, partially judicial. Registration. Registration means registered. What registered? Document registered means submitted or writing in book or in register any document of property, anything, okay, which is required for registration. It when it in writing form or in now computerized form, so, and there is a number, and it's called registration. Registered means put in a book and give a number in a document in registration, um, you know document. Okay. Now suit. Suit is, I told you, when you make a plant and submit in a court give it number is called suit. Summon means any notice, court notice, okay, and to any person to inform is called summon. Supreme Court means superior court. Okay. There is civil court, then district court, then high court, then Supreme Court. Okay. Territorial means territory, means the limitation of the land or any area, is called territorial. Tenant means a person who's paying and who's paying to another person and using his property is called tenant. Avi just ibi ramidum. It means this is maxim. It means if there is a wrong, there is a remedy. Latin, maxim. Void means null, void. Okay. Versus means A and B. There are two parties. Okay. It means A versus B. If in any plant A party and another is B party, so we will say A versus B, means A is competing with B, you can say in easy word. Written statement means answer of the plant, response of the plant is called written statement. Hope you like it and learn it. Thanks for watching and good.